This free tutorial will guide you through on how to manage local storage on Telegram completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1. To manage storage on Telegram, you want to go to the top left hand screen and click these 3 lines. And underneath here, you want to scroll down and click the second to last option, Settings. And underneath here, you want to scroll down until you see the 6th option, Advanced. And underneath Advanced, you want to click and locate the 3rd option, Manage Local Storage. In this case, this is how you can manage local storage on the Telegram app. You can limit the total size in gigabytes by dragging it to the right so there's less, or by dragging it to the left so that there's more. Or you can even clear files older than 1 month, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, or even 1 week. Bonus tip, you can even clear images, stickers, and the media cache in order to manage local storage on Telegram.